Neem oil is a natural powerhouse with countless benefits. Here are 15 ways it can enhance your skincare and gardening routine. 1. Fights acne with its antibacterial properties. 2. Soothes irritated skin and reduces redness. 3. Acts as a natural moisturizer for dry skin. 4. Reduces dark spots and scars. 5. Combats dandruff and scalp issues. 6. Promotes hair growth by strengthening roots. 7. Treats fungal infections like athlete's foot. 8. Repels pests naturally in the garden. 9. Helps control plant diseases like powdery mildew. 10. Fertilizes soil by enriching it with nutrients. 11. Works as a natural insect repellent for humans. 12. Heals minor wounds and cuts. 13. Acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. 14. Supports healthy digestion when used in small doses. 15. Enhances immunity through its antioxidant effects. Always consult a professional before using neem oil on your skin or plants, and patch test to avoid reactions. This video is for informational purposes only. Consult a healthcare or gardening professional before use.